Njengoko usuku lukaBaba uNelson Mandela luqobe ngempondo, isiseko iMiss Soweto Foundation ngokubambisana nabakwaMahindra sinikele ngemizuzu engama-67 enkonzo yoluntu kwizikolo okanye kwiziko elibonelela ngokutya kwasimahla kubantu abangathathi ntweni laseMamlangeni eOrlando East kusasa namhlanje. Eliphulo liyinxalenye yemizamo yokuhlonipha ilifa likatata uMandela ngokubuyisela kuluntu olutsala nzima ngezenzo zenkonzo. Okanye ke abaxhamli bafumane iipasile zokutya ezinemveliso ezibalulekileyo ngomseki uColin Sithole ogxininisa ukubaluleka kokuxhasa uluntu olusweleyo nokuphuhlisa abantwana ukuze kuqaqambe ikamva loMzantsi Afrika.
Njengoba izwe lonke libheke osukwini lokuzalwa kaMengameli wokuqala wentando yeningi olungomgqibelo, iMiss Soweto Foundation isiqalile ukubuyisela emphakathini. Le nhlangano ithi yelula isandla kubantwana ngoba iyakholelwa ekutheni yibo ikusasa lalelizwe.
We are having our Mandela Day celebration and we've utilizing this day to commemorate the memory of Mandela Day and 67 minutes of Mandela Day. So we're spending the day with Imamlangeni Feeding Scheme, of which I am a co-founder, and we have partnered with Mahindra to cook for the children of the community and also provide them with food parcels and just celebrate the day with them basically. So Imamlangeni Feeding Scheme, like I said, is my baby. I am a co-founder and the feeding scheme was established in 2018, so it's been running for quite a bit now, and we've just been growing with it all along. And Miss Soweto has really given me a platform to expand it further than just Orlando East where it used to run, and it's able to accommodate children in other communities now.
Abantwana baphuma kuma families angafani, so Tina as Miss Soweto we decided ukuthi everybody is equal, so hence siqala ngabantwana because of abantwana, they are the future for Soweto, like the commemorating abantu be-1976, so we need to take care of the future. So yiko sibona ukuthi lokho kuncane sinakho masibayenzele kona.
Uzime waseSoweto ka-2025-2026 nongomunye wabasunguli beMamlangeni Feeding Scheme wenxusa ke ezinye inhlangano ukuthi ziphose ezivivaneni ekukhulisweni kwabantwana.
Getting sponsors, getting donations is quite difficult when you're an NPO, but we're thankful to brands like Mahindra who come and recognize communities as a Soweto, and they come in and pitch in where they can. I mean, today we partnered with the Mahindra to make this day possible, and we're grateful to them.
My message to people out there, companies, corporates, abantu abanama business like Soweto, to say, give a helping hand. Make sure that you take care of the future, yes, Soweto, because Soweto is the biggest township in South Africa. Soweto has a history. So come and donate, come and take part in Soweto events like the Miss Soweto.
Le nhlangano ethi ke ngokuhlanganyela nezinye izinhlaka lo mkhankaso ungadlondlobala uye phambili. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngise Orlando East.